Hey guys, Rhett here, what is going on? Really excited to bring this property to you. My client Jack, this is his first Section 8 rental property, guys. He bought this for $40,000. This was a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom house. We put $40,000 into it. Come on in and we'll show you around. So guys, when we bought this and we walked it, it was in really bad shape. Unbelievably bad shape. And what we realized was the layout, there was a lot of extra space. We had potential to add a bedroom, so we did, and that's what Jack did. And it went from a 3-bedroom house to a 4-bedroom, which is a different in rent from $1,200 to $1,300 and more. And in terms of ARV and value, significantly more, because now we have a house that has another bedroom. So when we first came in here, the flooring was awful. When we pulled the flooring up, we realized that there were old original hardwoods here, and they were just too nice not to do anything with. So in a little bit of a change of what we usually do, we sanded and refinished the entire house where there was original hardwoods. Now, of course, it needs to be cleaned. There's a lot of debris of us walking through here today, but overall, 90% of this house has original hardwoods. If it didn't, we put down new LVP. So that's what we did here, okay? A lot of work was done here, guys, and we're still about 90, I would say we're 98% done. We ordered a new vanity. We still haven't gotten that in yet. We have a couple things that still haven't come in. There's one door we're waiting for on this one. So a couple like kind of piecemeal things just to finish this one and finish it for good. So love it, really love it. Huge living room. And off of the living room, what we have is a bedroom. So we have bedroom number 1, which is off of the living room. This is original. So original bedroom right here, really nice. A lot of natural light, little on the smaller side, but still nice. And then we have across the hall, bedroom number 2, okay? So bedroom number 2 in here, you've got a closet right here, another decent sized bedroom, and down in here we put brand new LVP. So you've got original hardwood in that bed, you have original hardwood here in the living room, all original hardwoods through this little hallway area, and original hardwoods through both of these 2 rear bedrooms. So bedroom 3, bedroom 4, all really nice and really close. New doors throughout the entire house, new hardware. So the place turned out really nice. All new light fixtures throughout this whole place, guys. It hasn't even been on market for a couple days and it's already gotten a lot of applicants. So we love it, we really do. In terms of the bathroom was completely redone. So what we did here is we have a brand new toilet in here right now. We have a brand new vanity that should be in any day now. Brand new tub in here. So brand new tub, all brand new tiling. We did subway tiling on the entire bathroom, which will hold up for a very long amount of time. So really nice and isn't gonna be a problem with turnover or anything like that. And then off of this hallway area, we have the kitchen. Now, the kitchen, again, did not have good flooring. We tore everything up in here, put brand new LVP down in here, brand new cover for our oven, which will be in once we get the tenant in. And that's something, guys, that we don't like putting appliances in homes unless we have applicants already ready to move in. We don't like leaving appliances. We don't want someone coming and looking at the unit, seeing brand new appliances. They get declined for the unit, they get upset, and maybe they come back and take something. So we never, and one thing that you guys will notice is there are never a lot of things of value in these houses. We just don't leave a lot of value pieces in these homes because we want people to come in, see the beauty of the units, see how nice they are, and see what they're gonna give, but we're not gonna give you anything to take. And that's something that we try to aim for, because when we put people in these units, of course we want a high level of quality and we wanna do everything we can to make it as nice as possible. But when our investors and our clients are sitting there waiting for someone to move into their units, or the units are on market, we don't want them to have any kind of exposure in terms of expensive things in the units. Pretty straightforward, but in case any of you are wondering why you usually don't see appliances or anything like that in our units. And same thing with light fixtures. As you'll notice, a lot of times our light fixtures, they go high and tight. So high and tight light fixtures, it makes it so you don't have people messing with the lights or having the ability to come in here and tamper with anything prior to our Section 8 inspections. We always want to make sure we get the units as close to as possible a passing level prior to our Section 8 inspection. So just a couple little housekeeping items that I wanted to touch on. And guys, in terms of Jack getting this thing going, I'm thrilled. I'm absolutely thrilled for him. This is such a great first home because it's in a great area. It's a 4-bedroom, so it's going to have a very, very good rent potential. It's going to bring in a lot of cash flow every single month. There was a lot of work done here that a tenant is going to move in here and take pride in the fact that this unit is as nice as it is. If you guys want to be like Jack, if you want to create these portfolios, you want to build out these houses, send me an email in the description below and we'll get started. You do it with me, we'll look for the properties, we'll find them together, use my teams for everything, the realtors, the property management companies, the contracting teams. We'll be able to knock this entire thing out and build for you exactly what it is that you want. We'll see you next time.